Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will read the article by Covery Smith. The effect of Tuesday's shocking US inflation report for August continued to ripple through world market as Wall Street breaks for the monthly producer price report. The yen bounces as Japan finance minister signal preparation to intervene in the currency market. Alphabet lost an appeal against a $4 billion antitrust fine from the EU, while the EU appears to have dropped its plan for a price cap on Russian gas import. Oil prices bounce as President Biden signaled a possible that refilling oil prices bounce as President Biden signaled was refilling of the strategic petroleum reserve, albeit that will require price to fall a bit further first. Here's what you need to know in financial market on Wednesday, September 14. The shock of the August CPI report in the US rippled through global market with the dollar holding on 2 months of it. Tuesday gains, European stocks extending their losses, and Asian stocks slumping as market priced in the risk that the Federal Reserve may now hike the Fed funds rate by a full percentage point next week. The shift in sentiment that was caused by the higher than expected print and core inflation could be corroborated with the release of producer price inflation number for August. This will give a clear indication of whether companies are still able to expand or at least deepen their profit margin. An indication of the pressure on margin came out late Tuesday with Amazon having to throw another $450 million at ensuring it has enough diver for the coming holiday season. Analysts expect the PPI to show the same pattern as consumer inflation, with the fall in gasoline prices generating a negative headline number, but with core price growth accelerating to 0.3% from 0.2% in July. Yen bonds as Japan moved closer to intervention. Tuesday's surge in the dollar prompted the clearest sign yet that Japan is preparing to intervene in foreign exchange markets to support the yen. Newswires reported that the Bank of Japan carried out rate checks with forex traders, a step that traditionally is a prelude to actual market intervention. Recent moves are rapid and one-sided and were very concerned. Finance Minister Shunichi Suzuki told reporters, confirming that intervention was on the table. If such moves continue, we must respond without ruling out any option. The yen was stated as funding currency given its central role in whole's financial market rose 1% against the dollar and by 1.5% against the Chinese yuan in response. Stocks stayed ahead of PPI after worst run in 2 years. US stock markets are set for a bounce of the dead cat variety at the open, pending the release of the PPI numbers, as traders like their ones will simultaneously marveling at President Joe Biden's claim of victory over inflation on Monday. Stock likely to be in focus later include Alphabet, after Google's Apple against $4.3 billion fine from the European Union was largely rejected, and indicates DRS, which are up after the owner of Zara and Massimo Dutti put out a bullish update overnight in Europe. The European Union appears to have dropped its plans to put a cap on the price of natural gas after member states failed to agree on how to do it. A State of the Union speech by European Union Commission President Ursula von der Leyen nonetheless repeated plans to impose a windfall tax on both oil and gas companies and mechanism for decoupling. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.